The last speaker for the first session is Ms. Saki Nagase. Ms. Nagase's speech is entitled Untold Potential. Ms. Nagase, please come to the podium.
Most ignorance is vincible ignorance. We don't know because we don't want to know, an English writer once said. Incidentally, I think you have heard mottainai at least once. Do you know the meaning? Basically, mottainai means it's a waste, but it means much more. The term contains not only the 3 R's of reduce, reuse, and recycle, but also respect for an irreplaceable earth. Wangari Maathai, an environmentalist from Kenya, was impressed with this word when she visited Japan and spread the mottainai campaign all over the world. What does the word mottainai remind you of? You may imagine some daily experiences, such as not to leave even 1 grain of rice uneaten, or not to leave the water running. I think what we should do to stop global warming is the same. We don't have to do something difficult. Certainly we encounter mottainai in our daily lives, but most of us cannot realize that because we take many things for granted. Sometimes unusual experiences in other countries make us notice that. I shouted in the hotel when I went to Thailand. "Oh no, the toilet is overflowing and the water won't stop!" The water inundated the bathroom as if it had rained there. I was very surprised and didn't know the reason. I only flushed the toilet paper down the toilet as always. Well, where did the toilet overflow? The plumbing at the hotel was not good enough to handle a large amount of toilet paper. In Japan, most people have modern plumbing, so they don't have to worry about how much toilet paper they use. I think it causes people to use a lot of toilet paper unintentionally. According to Japan Paper Association, the yearly amount of toilet paper Japanese people consume is about 50 rolls per person. In short, we use 9 meters every day. Just for information, the height of a 3-story house is about 9 or 10 meters high. Next time, why don't you try measuring how much toilet paper they are about to use? Maybe you use too much toilet paper, don't you think? What is another familiar mottainai? To begin with, I want to ask a question. How many boxes of tissues are there in your house? Surely there are more than 3. Maybe you have 1 in your washroom, 1 in your room, 1 in the bedroom, and 1 on your desk. Tissues are within arm's reach at all times. Moreover, most people in Japan carry tissues which are given out for free with advertising on them. These are not unusual things to Japanese people, but these are unbelievable to many foreign people. My friends who are from other countries were very surprised that they could get pocket tissues for free. One day, one of them said, "Yesterday, I got some pocket tissues for free as I was just walking down the street. Besides, they had pictures of cool guys on them. I was very glad to get them. I've never seen anything like pocket tissues in the Philippines." When I heard this, I thought Japanese people may have forgotten the value of such things and that they are made from wood, a limited resource. Many of us use more tissues than necessary without realizing it. Actually, it is said that Japanese people consume about 17 boxes of tissue a year. This figure is more than 3 times as much as American people. What can we do about it? It is not difficult. First, put away all those boxes of tissues in your home except 1. Make sure not to put it near the dining table. Instead, use a wet cloth to wipe the dining table. Let me give you one more example of mottainai. Although there is a close relation to our everyday lives, it is difficult to notice. Have you ever seen greenhouses with the lights turned on all night, even though there is no one there? Probably, vegetables or fruits out of season are cultivated in most of them. In fall and winter, strawberries are grown in nearby greenhouses. This looks strange because a lot of lights are used as substitutes for sun. However, thanks to these greenhouses, we can eat strawberries even out of season. Cultivating vegetables and fruits takes an enormous amount of energy. I think this is mottainai because we can reduce energy if we eat fruits that are in season. I think this is mottainai because we can reduce energy if we eat fruits that are in season. To do that, knowing which fruits are in season is the first thing we should do. By the way, fruits that are in season are very nourishing, taste best, and are healthiest for you. I think there is a lot of mottainai in our everyday lives, but we do not notice this because many things such as free pocket tissues and using too much toilet paper are ordinary for Japanese people. In addition, it is difficult for us to realize that global warming keeps on going without leaving Japan. We should be more aware of mottainai and take action to stop global warming, even if it is a small action. We don't have to be inconvenienced. I think the most important thing is to continue taking action for a long period individually. The environmentalist Wangari Maathai once said, "It's the little things citizens do. That's what will make the difference. My little thing is planting trees." Please reflect on your daily life and try to eliminate mottainai. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Ms. Narase. We will wait a few moments until the judges are ready.